Each year, hundreds of outdoor enthusiasts from the University of British Columbia descend on the Squamish Valley for a weekend of Carabiners, Crags, Kegs, and karaoke. Organized by the Varsity Outdoors Club, or VOC, this annual rock climbing instructional trip dates back to at least 1945. For many, this is their first time climbing on real rock, or perhaps their first time climbing altogether. For others, this is an opportunity to hone their skills in more advanced climbing disciplines. Regardless, this action-packed weekend is one for the books. This is Rock Party.
So you can't cross over, right? Yeah. So here, it needs to go in there. Yeah.
Okay.
What you're gonna do, you're gonna line up these two loops, and you're just gonna clip your carabiner through them. I just love the fact that you could just walk into a climbing gym and just be friends with everyone. It's your way sort of into having a community. There's nothing like it really. Teaching is its own reward, but in particular, like it's a sport and it's a healthy thing, and you're just getting people motivated to do it when they otherwise wouldn't. There's something really valuable about that.
One of my friends had a birthday party. I loved it so much. Yeah, I was really good, I think that's why. And I was like, oh, I'm so good at this, so I have to do
you're
it.
obnoxiously good at climbing. Yeah, I'm good.
I did not think I could do that.